So today we're going to look at these DNA sequences and go through the transcription and translation. So just a reminder, C goes with G, A goes with T, just like puzzle pieces. U is only in the case of mRNA, and that's when we get rid of T and we pair it with A. So given these DNA sequences, we transcribe it to these mRNA sequences, which we are going to use to translate it to figure out the amino acid sequences. So you can look at this two different ways. You can look at it in between the groups of three I have, or you can look at it as the group of three, but you are going to need an AUG for the start, and then one of these three for the stop. So here I have written them out as they are up here. We're mainly going to focus on the second mRNA sequence, which we will translate to this, which is going to have 5 parts. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we end up with this amino acid sequence that we have down here. And the carboxyl, just a little reminder, is this stop area. So there are different mutations that can happen. With silent mutations, we'll have a point mutation in the sequence that results in the amino acid being unchanged. So in this case, we have a transversion, so T going to G and A going to C. So we have this transversion that results in this being the same amino acid sequence as before. And I have a little chart down here in case you need it for transition versus transversion. And then with missense mutations, that's going to be when there is a point mutation in the sequence that does cause the amino acid to change, but it doesn't cause a premature stop or the deletion of a stop. So in this case, we do have a transversion again. So we have A to C and T to G. And we're going to look at this one right here, and it ends up changing this amino acid. So then with nonsense mutations, what's going to happen is there's a point mutation that causes an early stop. So we have a G to an A and a C to a T, which is a transition. So in this case, when we look at UGA, so we do have the start here at AUG. When we look at UGA as the next one, since this A has been changed, you'll look, UGA is now a stop. So we have a nonsense mutation. And then with the read-through mutations, sorry about that, we'll look at this one. I have changed the A to a G and the T to a C. So that is a transversion, A to T, G to C. And what happens with the read-through is the stop amino acid has been taken away. So if you look here, we have UGG instead of the UGA that we had before, which is this amino acid versus the stop.